Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have some amazing news. We have a first look at the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it is absolutely stunning. Highly reliable leaker Onleaks, who graces the internet with accurate product renders months before a product gets released, has exposed the S23 Ultra, S23 Plus, and the S23. So let's dive in and get some details. So as you can see, the S23 Ultra looks exactly like the S22 Ultra, which is already a blockbuster design with a refined, clean, and square look. This look, as you know, was inherited by the late Samsung Galaxy Note series, one of the best looking devices ever. So the S23 Ultra front and back is identical to the S22 Ultra with some possible minor variations. It is being reported on Smart Pricks that the display will remain 6.8 inches for the larger S23 Ultra with an identical camera array, which is a combo of 108 megapixels for the main camera, 12 megapixels ultra wide camera, and dual 10 megapixel cameras on the rear capable of 100x zoom. Without a doubt, the peak brightness of the display will be increased to compete with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. As of now, the iPhone 14 Pro Max sports a maximum 2000 nits of brightness, while the current Samsung flagship S22 Ultra is at 1750 nits of maximum brightness, so the S23 Ultra will aim even higher. Here's a quote from the article on Smart Pricks. It says, while the size remains the same, Samsung will bring improvements in terms of peak brightness, color accuracy, low screen reflectance, and HDR performance. So expect a better, superior display. Additionally, reliable leaker Ice Universe has also noted that based on these renders, we might actually get 4 bezels with equal width, which enhances the design even further, making it more harmonious. S22 Ultra will also get the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which Ice Universe has stated that he expects it to be a powerful processor, improving upon the flaws of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which is still a superb processor, but it is a little overshadowed by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. Now, we don't have any definitive evidence that the S22 Ultra won't have an S Pen, but if that happens, that will be a major detriment. As of now, though, it is safe to assume it will retain the S Pen with a dedicated slot in the chassis. Do note that the renders confirm this, as the bottom portion of the phone is a literal replica of the S22 Ultra. Now, we also have leaks on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus and the S23, and you can see the overall design of those phones is also going to be remaining the same, except if you look at the rear camera array, it is going to inherit the design language of the S23 Ultra. So that's what we have in today's leaks. These are some significant leaks. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know what you think. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?